Hello everyone, welcome to the series of understanding economics concepts in just 1 minute. This is Dr. Atman Shah. Let's understand the idea of balance of payment. The balance of payment summarizes economic transactions of a particular economy with the rest of the world. So there are three categories of balance of payment. The first is current account, which is used to mark the inflow and outflow of goods and services into an economy. Second is capital account, where all international capital transactions are recorded. So these capital transactions include purchasing and selling of non-financial assets such as land and properties. And third is financial account, which documents international monetary flows related to business, stocks, bonds, real assets, etc. So that is the idea of balance of payment. If you like it, share it.